Hello guys. Today is March 5, 2025. Start na po ng 40-day Lenten season. Today is Ash Wednesday. Ash Wednesday today, guys. Yung iba nagsimba na, guys. Nagpalagay na sila ng ash Daan lang muna tayo dito, guys, sa may Immaculate Conception, Cubao Parish. Maraming parishioners. Daan lang tayo dito sa Immaculate Parish here in Lantana Street, Cubao, Quezon City. Daan lang muna tayo, guys. Meron sila ditong mga cathedral grottos. Meron din ditong guys, pag yung yung mga burolan here on the left side. Then meron ding school, Immaculate Conception Cathedral School. Yes guys, ito na. Magle-left turn na ako sa Boston. Welcome to Boston. Boston Street, Cubao, Quezon City. Yes guys, thank you for watching. And good morning to all of you. Ingat ang lahat. Ingat guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.